Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this little stone tray from Okidokie Artichoke is going to level up your bathroom.
I love these trays that are made from diatomaceous earth. They are super clean and they absorb water so quickly. This one is absolutely gorgeous with this marble print with these little gold feet that you screw on. And I love how it looks in my bathroom with my soap on it. And I love how quick drying these are. So while you're washing your hands, you can get water on it, but you're not going to have to worry about it sitting there and getting scuzzy. It's going to dry quickly and they look beautiful. They even work super well in the kitchen. I tried it out here on my sink and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. This is such a high-end, high-quality piece. You are going to love it.
You can literally elevate your bathroom decor with this beautiful stone tray. It will keep your counter dry, clean, and looking beautiful. And that's my point of view.